Two of the biggest names in streaming go head-to-head, Paramount Plus and Sling TV. Which one really delivers? On the left, Paramount Plus brings premium on-demand shows and movies. On the right, Sling TV puts live TV channels front and center for cord cutters. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's lay it out. Here's our mind map for today. We're going to cover pricing, content and channels, live TV quality, device support and streaming, DVR and recording, user experience and reliability, and yeah, premium add-ons. Strap in because there's a lot to unpack. Starting off with pricing. So, Paramount Plus, get this, their essential plan is just $5.99 a month. That's like the cost of a fancy latte. They've got annual plans too, which honestly makes the value even sweeter if you want to commit. But hang on, the entry tier is ad-supported, and you'll need to shell out $13 per month if you want ad-free streaming. Still, it's super flexible. Now, Sling TV. Prices start at $19.99 per month. Not bad for live TV, plus you get multiple package options. On paper, that sounds pretty good, right? But, here's the kicker. Their prices have skyrocketed since 2015. We're talking increases from 152% up to 223%. If you start adding extras, it can get expensive real fast. Those add-ons range from $6 to $11 a pop. So yeah, for pricing, Paramount Plus takes the win for being budget-friendly and straightforward. Next up, content and channels. Paramount Plus brings over 30,000 episodes on demand, and their originals? Think Star Trek Discovery and The Twilight Zone. Pretty cool. You'll get live CBS 2, plus new Paramount flicks as they come out, which is a nice perk. But their live TV selection? It's just 20-plus channels, mainly CBS-related, and sports fans might feel a bit left out. Sling TV, though, brings a seriously massive haul if you grab a few add-ons. Over 100 channels including sports, news, entertainment, even family and educational stuff. Sports lovers, listen up. You get ESPN, NBA TV, BN Sports, the works. Plus, 10,000 hours of on-demand content. Downsides? Channel selection isn't as strong as it once was. They've dropped about 15% since launch. And local channels are a bit scarce. Still, for sheer variety, Sling TV definitely wins this round. Moving on to live TV quality, and no contest here. Paramount Plus includes live CBS, and you can stream on 3 devices, which is neat. But honestly, it's mostly for on-demand, and their live TV lineup is super limited. Sling TV flips the script with way more live TV options. Like, you can get day passes for just $5, weekend passes, week-long passes, so flexible. It's made for cord cutters, and there's solid sports coverage too. But keep in mind, local channels aren't everywhere. It's kinda hit or miss depending on your city. Even with that, Sling TV is way ahead when it comes to live TV and is the clear winner here. Oh, and here's something wild I found while digging around. Did you know Sling TV's prices have jumped over 150% since 2015? But at the same time, their channel selection actually dropped by 15%? I mean, what's going on there, right? So, how do these guys stack up for device support and streaming? Paramount Plus lets you stream on up to 3 devices, which is cool, and it works on, well, pretty much everything. Android, Apple TV, Chromecast, iOS, Fire TV, Roku, Smart TVs, Xbox, PlayStation. The gang's all here. Sling TV returns the favor with 4 simultaneous streams if you snag the orange plus blue combo, and device support is just as solid. But tiny annoyance, the orange package only lets you stream on 1 device at a time. Blue, you get 3. So yeah, overall, Paramount Plus is a little more flexible out of the box. So Paramount Plus gets the edge for device streaming. Now, DVR and recording. Paramount Plus? There's literally no DVR included. Yep, if you want to record live stuff, it's a hard pass. Sling TV, though, 50 hours of DVR storage comes standard. And if that's not enough, you can go unlimited for $5 more. Your shows won't expire, so basically binge whenever you want. But heads up, If you go for more DVR space, your monthly bill creeps up too. Even so, Sling TV is the winner for recording, like by a mile. Let's talk user experience and reliability. Paramount Plus goes for a super clean, simple interface. Really nice if you mostly binge shows and movies. Not as seamless if you're chasing live TV. But honestly, it's solid for on-demand. Sling TV? It's a budget-friendly alternative to the big guys, but reviews are rough. Worst marks in customer satisfaction? People complain about app bugs, confusing packages, channel guide issues, streaming quality, even needing to force quit the app a bunch of times. Yeah, not great. Paramount Plus easily wins for reliability and ease of use. Last but not least, premium add-ons. Paramount Plus keeps it basic. You can get Showtime with the premium tier, but that's about it. Sling TV goes all out with 41 unique premium choices. Showtime, Stars, MGM+, Shudder, Acorn, and a bunch more. Plus, sports and news packages, even Discovery+. Prices run from $2 to $10 each, so you can really build your dream lineup. The flip side? It gets complicated fast, and your monthly cost can skyrocket if you go wild. So, for the sheer number of options and flexibility, Sling TV wins. Now, let's take a look at the big picture. A radar chart showing how both services score across all those categories. You can really see where each one shines or drops the ball. All right, wrapping it all up, it honestly boils down to what you want. If you're after affordable, original content and fresh movies, Paramount Plus is kind of perfect. But if you're craving a true cable replacement, live channels galore, sports, news, Sling TV is probably the way to go, even with those annoying reliability quirks. For pure value, Paramount Plus is tough to beat for streamers on a budget. If live TV is your jam, Sling TV takes the crown. Hey, found this comparison helpful? Hit subscribe so you never miss the latest streaming service face-offs. I've got more breakdowns coming.